Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up sales tax on Wave apps. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to set up their state tax when it comes to customers buying your services or products. So there's not going to be a lot of steps involved, guys. This is going to be a pretty short one, but make sure to stick around until the end in order to learn how to set up a sales tax on Wave apps. So what we're first going to do is log into our Wave apps account, which looks like this right here. And then on the upper right hand side, you want to click on your business name and then click on business settings. So from this page here, you want to scroll down under accounting where it says sales tax. So from here, you're just going to click on create a sales tax. And so here we're going to put, let's say, New Jersey sales tax, and we're just going to call it NST. And then the description is optional. Your tax number is optional. But for here, we're just going to put, let's say, 7.5% and then click on save. So now when you actually create your invoices, you're going to see this New Jersey sales tax as far as it being a checkbox when it comes to sending invoices to your clients goes. But this right here is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up sales tax on Wave apps. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.